Gute. So a few weeks ago I saw like a documentary about Super Mario World, probably the best platforming game ever, and I thought to myself, oh, I have to play it. But how? The obvious today, the easiest thing is to emulate it maybe on your Super Boy, which I built a few years ago, I think. But the issue is I never put the battery in it. And I think emulation isn't like the real experience. So I was really happy to realize that they ported it to the GBA like this. And so I got hold of the cartridge and I can now play it on my GBA SP, which is portable and the original experience like I wanted. But the issue is here. It's the wrong model. So basically there are two versions of this. One is with the screen lit from the front and one is with the screen lit from the back. And the most common one is the GBA with the screen lit from the front and not with the back. This makes the image a lot worse and not so desirable. But it's the only thing I could get hold of. Anyway, post arrived, and thanks to the internet we now can purchase lots and lots of accessories, and that's what I did. I ordered a screen replacement and a matching case because the old one is rather beat up. And it arrived, and I thought it would be a great idea to make a video about it and see how far I can go with it. And this should be the screen, which should be much better. I will take the internals of this, swap them over to this, and I will use the opportunity to put a new screen in there. I like the packaging and it arrived in perfect condition, I think. I think the only issue is that I destroy the screen by unpacking it. Fragile. Okay, that's the screen. That is, I think, a pad to keep it in place. Insulating thing on the metal surface on the back of the screen. Okay, that's obvious. This should be like a patch cable. And a PCB. No, this is not dirt, this is just some leads going through and some screen driver stuff. So I think I should head to the internet and get the instructions, because I don't want you to tell me that I should have RTFM. Is this how you say it? Should have? I should have read the manual before destroying it. But anyway, let's see. It could be fine. It could be really nice. So in the beginning we play the old seal screw, remover screw. Ah, see, this is the Nintendo 3-pin. Ah, that is much better. So let's see what we got here. See a screw, remove a screw. And there we go. So I think I need to get the speaker later on. So I will put it aside for now. Oh. They actually provided a new sticker with some random number, I think. Made in China, made in Japan. Like the screen part of it. And button part of it. Okay, let's step by each. So we have the cover and the LCD, and it's already glued to the screen. That's nice. So we can skip all of that, and we can go to this guy. And then they tell me in the original, I think this piece is also mirrored on this side, and you have to remove it on the original casing. See, we should remove it, but we do not need to do this because that's already done. Yes. Oh, shiny. And it will be dusty in 3, 2, 1. I think it fits like a glove. This is not written in the other manual, it's just on here. So you see there's a little Lego connector down here, and there's the receiver. So I try, oh, it's sticky. I try to line them up and then connect them. And here we go. Actually, I hope it's double-sided tape. Alrighty. And there we go. Okay. Gute. So today's tomorrow. I had a quick chat with the seller and he confirmed the hinges are not included in the package because, as he said, he didn't like the quality of the aftermarket hinges. I was able to get one of them out, and this is the top cover piece here, which is supposed to slip over it, and I just removed it to show you, and now I'm struggling. I hoped I was able to get around disassembling the original screen. You see, I did not put the loop in there. It's bad. The spongy stuff on the back, and you see in this case we do have the additional bracketing on this side. You see this thingy is clamped in there, right, with these. They are spreading out and they will clamp themselves in there. So the idea that was presented to me online was either to like push them individually in there, or take like a big pen which seems to have the right size to just put it over there. Obviously here I do not have access to one of these big pens, so what I did instead was to take one of these, and they actually did fit quite nicely over them, at least. See, it just popped right out. Yep, there we go. And let's see, this was this one. Is there a way to mess this up? Ah yeah, here we go. And it's working. I was just too scared. Okay, that's nice. I've done the little loop there, and it looks much better now. Hold it over there. One quick tap. Sorry, I ran out of storage. So then I glued in the receptacle for the cover screw, for the battery cover screw. I had the batteria. Actually I can there's one screw left. Nice. Should, since it's clean. That's nice, that's nice. So, and where is it? There it is. Let's check it out. This is this one. And I think it fits. Okay, the grace, but this is also a second third-party case I used here for this one. Right, I moved you closer for the final inspection. I think, without tooting my own horn, but I think it looks great. Right, let's try it out. The best thing about the Game Boy Advance SP is that you can actually use the classic Game Boy cartridges with it. And what I didn't tell you is I have another one, but this is original with the same game. Now tell me that wasn't worth it. And yes, the backlight is on, and yes, I can even increase the... This is backlit, this is frontlit. And you see the difference in the colors. I'm super happy right now. Anyway, that's it. If you have an idea why the multiplayer is not working, because these are the same games, but if I connect the Game Boys together, I don't have multiplayer for some reason. And if you're watching this, you may know more about the Game Boys than I do. So let me know, please. Otherwise, enjoy your day. Thanks for watching. See you. Goodbye.